Good morning, leaders. Good morning, everyone. It's me, Susan. Right now, I'm here in DXN Karama, Dubai, which is our headquarters. And right now, I'm here to talk about 9 ways of income in DXN. Many people they keep asking me how we can make money in DXN, how we can earn money in DXN. So here is the 9 ways of income. So let me introduce about these 9 ways of income. For that one, first of all, you have to register yourself, which is 100% free. DXN company is called Eligible company, which means without purchasing any single product, you can register yourself from any part of the world. After that, you will get 9 digits of your own system, your own access in this company, and you can buy your necessary things that daily basis, whatever you are using to live here. So that all the products the products will be you can buy from the any stores and any our service center. Okay, so that time you will get the profit, you will get in the titles of income, that way of income also there. Okay, first of all, before I enter this session, so I will let you introduce about DXN. DXN is it started in 1993 from Malaysia. So DXN is promoting health, wealth, happiness, peace and prosperity. So right now we are all over the world. DXN is a global company, and we are globally we are representing globally. So we are right now 190 countries already, and we are being almost 17 million registered consumer. So DXN is the global company. So when you purchase something here through your code, so first of all you will get retail profit. Retail profit means if you are registered already, so there is the two type of price in DXN. So first is distributor price, that means already discounted price. And if you sell, I'm repeating this word again, if you sell, you will get up to 15% margin. So this is first income, which is called retail profit. And second will be the group bonus, which will be the 6% to 21%. So this to be entitled this group bonus, you need to maintain your PPV. Each and every month you have to buy 100 PPV product at least. So it will be the issue for you. So bonus will be the 6% to 21%. Here you will get some differences. So in each in this topic, I can give you maybe in next video in a depth in specifically information. But right now I cannot give you because I am trying to give you short information only right now. Okay. So this will be the group bonus up to 6% to 21%. And third, our the income ways will be star group bonus, which will be the 25 to 37% when you become a star agent. When you become a star agent, after that when you create a star agent, so here you can get up to 25 to 37% bonus. So this is the star group bonus. And fourth is the development bonus, which will be the 15%. For that, entitled this development bonus, you must be a star agent and maintain your personal PV and maintain PGPV also. So this will be the requirement for the development bonus. So in a depth, I can give you in next video, hopefully. Okay. And this development bonus also you will get in a one line. In a one line, there is from the different levels. In the first level, 5%. Second level, 4. Similarly, 3, 2, 1. So that means 15% from the one line. So this is the development bonus. And next is international profit sharing. So see, we are working in a company, right? And the company, they don't share even single fields of bonus. This one profit. Yes, but DXN is how unique and how beautiful company. Do you know this? DXN is the global company, as I said. DXN is presenting 190 companies, 90 countries. So from the globe, all around the world. So each month, every month, DXN making profit. From that profit, so they will separate 2% profit every month. That will be the million of dollar also. So this will be the very big amount of the money here. And then that money, that 2%, the DXN, they will distribute this percentage to the all of the qualified star diamond and diamond above, all the diamonds. So if they are qualified, so they will distribute this thing, so they will give them this bonus. So in DXN, if you become a star diamond and above, that means you are already shareholder of this company. So how beautiful this company. So this is the international profit sharing. Go for next. So leadership bonus. Leadership bonus, when you become a star, so to be entitled this leadership bonus, you must be a qualified star diamond. You must be a qualified star diamond. When you become qualified diamond, then when you create diamonds, so diamond to diamond, this bonus will be issued, and this leadership bonus will be the very big amount of bonus amount. As I said, if I tell you, if your bonus is something amount, so this leadership bonus will be cover 70% of bonus. So this type of huge amount of bonus is here in a entitled of leadership bonus. So mostly our trainer, our DXNer, they suggest us to do DXN until we get this leadership bonus. When we receive this bonus, that time we feel, yes, I am doing DXN. So this is the one uniqueness I'm telling for you. So leadership bonus will be the very big amount bonus. And let's go to the next bonus. So this is travel seminar incentive, which will be the 2%. And see, who doesn't wants to travel, and especially if foreigner countries, if next countries, wow, it will be the very big excitement moment and this thing now. And DXN will give you this thing also. So each and every year there is the specific the point accumulation system. So there they will give you the one target, and not only you with your entire team. If you gonna achieve this point, then you are entitled you are eligible for the travel to other countries. So this year we are going Turkey. So if we are hopefully if we qualify, we are traveling to Turkey. So this is the travel seminar incentive, which will be the 2%. And similarly, there handphone cash incentive. It will be the in amount. It will be the 850 dirhams. But for that one, first of all, you have to become a star agent, and then from your different line, when you will help them to accumulate 6,000 PV each. 6,000 PV. So that handphone cash incentive will be the issue in your name. So you will get with your bonus. It will be included in your bonus. That amount will be 850 dirhams. So this is one time only. And lastly, overseas trip cash incentive. Amount, I will tell you. Amount will be the 5,800 dirhams. For that one, first of all, you have to get cash handphone incentive. After that, you have to help them in your team in a different line, at least five your different lines. You have to help them to achieve handphone cash incentive. After that, the company will issue your this overseas trip cash incentive under your name with your bonus. This will be the one time also. So company will let you to visit our Malaysia, because DXN is the real company. DXN wants you to visit now our company. So DXN is now already in 26 countries. You have a factory also. You have to visit factory and make your business grow. Okay, so this all are the 9 ways of income, and hopefully you like my video. If you like, please drop your comments below, and let's become a part of the DXN. Let's promote health, wealth and happiness, and let's grow together. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Good morning.